Welcome to Health Unlimited, and in this series I'm going to be introducing you to some yummy, healthy, delicious recipes which are made with some unique grains and some millets. So today the recipe that I've got for you is one of my favorite millets, that is jowar. So I'm making a Thai jowar salad. So whenever you use millets, make sure that you soak them overnight and the next day you can boil them. That's what I've done with my jowar pearls. Actually, jowar is one of my favorite millets. It's loaded with protein, it's loaded with fiber, antioxidants, it's easy to digest, and it also helps in removing inflammation. And as history has it, millets have fed us through drought and famine. So these are really good for the environment, especially when we are going through global warming. So without much ado, let's get started. So first of all, we are going to pound the green onions or spring onions, chopped carrot. I have some tomatoes and some peppers, along with some hot and spicy Thai chilies. They are really hot. I love the color, red and beautiful. And now I'm going to add salt. Along with that, some Thai chili and lime dressing. My mouth is already watering. So it's going to be tangy, really fiery, salty and sweet. We'll pound everything together. And this is ready. So now let's toss the salad. And now I'm going to add some jowar to it and toss it. I can just smell those yummy flavors coming all together. Look at that. Look at the colors. It's so fragrant. It's so delicious. Spicy, tangy, delicious, healthy. It's time to plate. Ta-da! Look at that. And our yummy Thai jowar salad is ready. I'm going to have it for lunch. And you do try it at home for Health Unlimited.